Hi friends, this is Nirmal Patel from Akshar Education, and in this video we are going to solve 4 different questions based on BODMAS. After doing these questions, definitely you'll be feeling different kind of a confidence with BODMAS questions. So watch the complete video and master the concept. Very first question, 24 times 5 plus bracket 84 minus 42 bracket complete divided by 3. Now we do know this is our order of operation, BODMAS, BODMAS. So bracket is the first priority. So let me check, is there any bracket involved? Oh yes, I do have a bracket involved here. Guys, very important thing, we are going to do only one operation at a time so that there is no confusion. So I'll be just focusing everything in this bracket, and then rest of the things I'm going to write down as it is. So 24, I will not change anything, times 5 as it is, and then plus. Now 84 minus 42. So I think quite simple. We can do like 4 minus 2, which is 2, and 8 minus 4, which is 4. So I think that's quite easy process. And then there is a divided by, and then 3. Now my bracket is resolved. So my second priority is the order. Guys, order is not the order of operation, but order is the power, like 2 power 2, 3 power 4, like that. So we can see there is no power involved in that. So my bracket and order both are done. So my next priority, number 3, is division and multiplication. Whatever comes first from left to right. So let's check it out. Oh yes, I can see there is a multiplication here. 24 times 5. Now guys, if you really want to learn, I can teach you a cool trick of multiplying. So 24 times 5, you can do in a conventional way, but if you want to do in a faster way, 24 times 5. So you can go here from left to right, guys. So 20 times 5 is 100. And then 4 left. So 4 times 5 is 20. And if you add them up, that's going to be 120. So 24 times 5 is 120. If you practice this skill, guys, it's going to be really, really cool. And your calculation will be much faster. To explore more, you can watch it, my cool math tricks videos, yeah? And then there is a plus 42 divided by 3. As you can see, I did only one operation at a time. Now again, I got a plus, I got a division. So my priority will be this division. So I'll be just focusing here. 42 divided by 3. And as we know, 14 3s are 42. Let us say if you've got a bit of a trouble in that, you can also do in a like short division here, 42 and then 3. So 3 1s are 3, 1 carry. And then 12. So 3 4s are 12. So that is going to be 14. So 120 plus 14. Now 120 plus 10, 130 plus 4, 134. So my answer is 134. And that is my question number 1. Now in question number 2, 9 times bracket 27 plus 20 bracket complete minus another bracket 7 times 11 bracket complete. Now my order of operation, my very first priority will be this bracket and that bracket and that bracket. They both are brackets, so I can operate them simultaneously. Only this bracket and other bracket. Other than that, I'm not going to touch anything. So 9 is as it is, then times 27 plus 20. So 37, 47. So that is going to be 47. And then there is a minus, and then 11 times 7 is 77. So that is 77. Now 47 times 9, you can do in your conventional way, but if you want to learn the cool technique, I'm going to teach you that as well, guys. So let us say, whenever you're doing 47, multiply by 9, instead of 9, what you can do is, you can write down 9 as a 10 minus 1, can't you? Because 9 is 10 minus 1. And then 47 times 10 is 470. And then minus 47 times 1 is 47. And now you can see 470. If I minus 50, there will be 420, but then 3 less. So 423. So 423 is the answer of 9 times 47. Just a little bit more creativity, bit of a practice, and you can do it very, very quickly, guys, which is going to be key skill in your selective exam. So this is 423 minus 77. And now you can work out that, yeah? So 423 minus 77. If you want to do that in a conventional way, you can do that as well. So I'll write down here 423 minus 77. I can't continue, so I'll just take the carry. So that will be 13, and that will be 1. 13 minus 7 is 6. 1, again, 1 minus 7, I can't do it. So that will be 11, and that will become 3. 11 minus 7 is 4, and that is 3. So my final answer is going to be 346. And I'm done with my second question as well.